Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. This is a coming soon listing. Hang out with us, get a sneak preview with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out at 3737 Cactus Ridge Drive. Great Southside neighborhood. This is going to be a coming soon listing. Got a double driveway with a turnaround at the top. Got tons of side RV boat parking. The driveway's a little bit steep, but it's not bad at all. Definitely back something up here pretty easily. Killer panoramic mountain views. Nice little courtyard front entry. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,797 square feet. Sits on a big lot, just over 13,000 square feet. It's got a big open floor plan, split bedrooms. There's also a junior master suite. Super clean, looks like there's new carpet, nice tile floors, granite counters in the kitchen with an eat at breakfast bar type setup. You have a nice pantry. Nice little dining area at the front of the house here. All right, so you have the master. Pretty good size. It's got a big walk-in closet. Got a nice big walk-in closet. Got a nice big master with dual vanities. It's nice and wide. Jetted tub. Got a nice size walk-in shower. Got a little slider out to the pool area with a doggy door. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. You have your guest bath. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Yeah, bedroom number 3, that is the junior master suite. Has a door out to the pool area as well. Nice pot shelves. Here's your little junior master bath. So you got a huge indoor laundry. So it's got your standard 2-car garage, 20 feet deep, 7-foot doors. So you have all your soft water, water heater. Right, so it's got a nice back patio. Nice pool with a slide. Looks like it has fiber optic lighting. Pretty private. It's got a wall all the way around it. Got all your pool equipment on the side of the house with some extra roof tiles. Pool looks like it's in pretty good condition. I don't see any popping or cracking. The cool deck looks like it's in pretty good condition. Looks like it's been recently redone or repainted. Slides in good condition. So you got a pretty wide gated side parking. I just walked it off, but it's about 13 feet wide or so. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little preview video of the house over here on Cactus Ridge. This is a coming soon listing. Not really sure exactly when it's going to hit the market or for how much. We're going to figure all that out. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video. So maybe save this video wherever you found it, YouTube, Facebook, and keep an eye on it because the link will be posted once it's live in the MLS. I'll also put a direct link to my contact information. So if you guys have any questions or anything I can do to help, you guys just let me know. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.